Is the Solo Stove Steelfire Griddle stand, is it worth it? Let's talk about the durability, the price, the key features. We'll get right into it. All right, so the Solo Stove Steelfire Griddle has a home, and you haven't seen that video of me cooking on it, definitely check that out. We were at my old house, and I think I've even done a new one at the new house, but we did a few videos there where I had this sitting on a countertop before I had the stand, so it shows you the portability of it, and I think it's awesome. Check out that video, let me know what you think. But now that it's got a home, you know that it's portable. You could take this camping or whatnot, but then if it's gonna be a backyard griddle, then this might be something you want to consider. But it's got that nice cloth on it. It's got the folding little side tables here as well. And then we do a little looky-loo here. Look at that, guys. It's got a nice back here where you're able to put your propane and store anything that you might need. Talk about durability. I think this is cast aluminum. I'll double check. But as far as being durable, like, it is solid. I've used this. I cook on this probably 2 or 3 times during the week for my family. Cooked chicken and hamburgers and all sorts of stuff, breakfast food on it. And I've put prep food here. I have, put a cutting board and cut things right here. And like I'm pushing down the way I want to show you the durability. This is solid. And it's easy to clean as well. And then it also has the locking wheels as well. And I believe it's just 2 in the, just 2 in the front, which is all you need. So it's about $2.99. So is it worth it? It's definitely gonna be a premium griddle. You're already spending $8.99, maybe $7.99, can't remember exactly, for the griddle itself. Another $300 on the stand. So it's a premium griddle. So if you're watching, you might be wondering, man, that's probably, I'll just get something else. That's my first reaction as well, is that it's really premium. But if you want something that's gonna last and look sharp, and you're a Solo Stove fan and fanatic, then I think you won't care. I think it's a solid product. It does what it says it is going to do. It's been durable. I've moved this thing around a lot. I would just say the only con is the high price point is definitely premium. That's my feedback there, but I like the look of it. I like the durability of it. I'm a little tempted to show you the durability, kind of run and just like tackle this thing and see if it makes it, but I think I want to keep my griddle together. But anyways, I think I'm happy with it. Let me know in the comments what questions you have and if this was helpful. I just wanted to do something real quick to show you the different products on the channel. So since I already had a video on that griddle, I thought I'd show you the new stand as well and let you know how we can help support you on your barbecue and grilling game. Check out all the Solo Stove videos on Solo Stove or the griddle, and also Kamado Joe, Lone Star, also the Santa Maria grill. A lot of recipes to get you inspired on your backyard barbecue journey. So from my backyard to yours, less hate, more love, good barbecue. Till next time.